In this question, it says the part of the area bounded by the curve x square into y minus 1 equals to 6 between the ordinates x equals to 2 and x equals to 3 is 2 square units. If the ordinate x equals to a divides the area into equal parts, then a is equals to. So let us begin with the solution, students. So यहाँ पे क्या है कि x square इंटू वाई माइनस 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 6. तो अगर हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करें ना तो हमको क्या मिलेगा, y माइनस 1 विल बी इक्वल्स टू 6 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर एंड y इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 6 बाय एक्स स्क्वायर. तो if we consider the graph where y is inversely proportional to x square, so the graph somewhat looks like this, and if we add 1 to it, ये जो ग्राफ है ना ये थोड़ा ऊपर शिफ्ट हो जाएगा somewhat like this. So ये है ग्राफ हमारा y is equals to 1 plus 6 upon x square. तो हमको क्या बोला है कि between x equals to 2 to x equals to 3 ये एरिया जो है ना, this area is equals to 2. So ये area 2 के equal है. Now further it is said that if the ordinate x equals to a, so let me say we have a line and this is corresponding to x equals to a. ये line इसको दो equal parts में divide कर सकता है. मतलब we can say this one part will have area equals to 1. So we have to find the value of a. So we can say area is equals to integral from 2 to a y dx, and this area is equals to 1. So 1 is equals to integral from 2 to a 1 plus 6 by x square dx. So if we do the integration, 1 का इंटीग्रल होता है x plus 6 into 1 by x square का इंटीग्रल होता है x का पावर -1 upon -1. And if we put the limits, it is from 2 to a, ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा 1 is equals to a minus 6 by a minus 2 minus 3. So if we do the simplification here, let us go to the next page. तो हमारे पास आएगा 1 is equals to a minus 6 by a and then we have plus 1. So clearly ये plus 1 cancel हो जाएगा and what we will be left with is a minus 6 upon a is equals to 0. तो हमको क्या आ गया, a is equals to 6 by a और a square is equals to 6. Therefore the value of a is equals to root 6, and that is the answer to this question, students.